On this short video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat loading. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Snapchat and then click on it like this. After that, now go click on notifications management, disable all the notifications and enable them back again, and then go back, click on storage, click on clear data and click on delete. Go back and click on the power usage details, click down here on force stop, and after that go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and then go to the airplane mode, enable it for 15 seconds and disable it after that. The last thing you want to do is restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.